How to make folders on an iPhone. Grouping your apps in the folder makes them easier to find and it's a step towards cleaning up your iPhone's home screen. Grouping apps into folders is a great step towards organizing your iPhone and simplifying your experience on it. I loved when iOS started automatically grouping apps in the app library because I have always been a fan of keeping apps in the same category together. There are two kinds of iPhone users in the world: those who go through their folder to find an app, and those who search for the app by name. I am definitely in the first group. Here are instructions to follow if you want to be in the first group or just like a looking home screen. How to make a folder on iPhone. Tap and hold your iPhone home screen until your app begin to wiggle. That happens when the apps enter edit modes where you can move them around and delete or group them. Press on an app and drag it to another app to group them together. To start grouping your apps, find two that you want to put together. I am going to group LG in Think and since they are both smart home apps. Press and hold down one of the apps you want to group with another and drag it until it's hovering over the other one. Tips and tricks for smooth switch to a new iPhone. Drop the app into the created folder. A folder will be created for both apps. You can rename the folders and exit it by touching anywhere outside of it. Folders behave like apps with when rearranging. So if you want to move the folder to different spots, just hold your home screen again until the apps drag the folder to the new location. Can you put a folder in a folder on iPhone? It is possible to put a folder inside another one on your iPhone. Once you have created both folders, you can repeat the steps above and drop one folder into the other. Remember, folders behave like apps, so the apps from both folders won't consolidate into one folder. There will be one folder inside another one. Apple explained why iOS restored your deleted photos and what you can do now. Here's how iPhone and iPad user can make sure that deleted images are absolutely positively gone forever. 2 weeks ago, a report began appearing of unusual iPhone and iPad bugs. Following Apple's iOS 17.5 and iPad OS 17.5 updates, photos that user had deleted years earlier were resurfacing when on device that user and wiped clean. Last week, Apple issued a patch which the company said provide important bug fix and addresses a rare issues where photos that experience database corruptions could reappear in the photo library even if they were deleted. The bug only affected a small number of users and small number of photos, Apple said, but for those users it was pretty unsettling.